There have been some intriguing advancements made in the industry of electric vehicles. The introduction of yet another electric vehicle brand is hardly a surprise, yet nanoflow cell is an intriguing research project. A completely different approach to electric vehicle batteries is taken by it, just like VinFast does. Battery leasing is a well-known service that VinFast provides, whereas nanoflow cells automobiles do not come with any kind of battery installed in them. The Quantino 25, on the other hand, is outfitted with 6 cells that are capable of store 33 gallons of bi-ion fuel that is derived from either seawater or industrial water waste. Consider it to be the equivalent of Porsche synthetic fuel, but for electric vehicles. 4 low-voltage electric motors with a capacity of 60 kilowatts are powered by the fuel, which contains nano-structured bi-ion molecules. Approximately 1,200 miles is the range that is said to be available from the 33-gallon tank, and the 2+2-seater sports car is said to be able to reach 62 miles per hour from a complete stop in just 2.5 seconds. Our nanoflow flow cell, and bi-ion energy carrier are key technologies for a successful energy transition, stated Nunzio Lavecchia, CEO and CTO of Nanoflow Holdings PLC. Our nanoflow flow cell helps us achieve this transition. To propel environmentally friendly economic growth, we need to ensure that energy derived from renewable sources is not only safe, but also storable and feasible to transport. Because of this, it is necessary to have a strategy that has been carefully considered and have the necessary infrastructure. For the past quarter of a century, this beast of a motor has been in the works. Over the course of this period of time, the brilliant minds behind the project have been doing research, developing, creating, and designing its subsequent technological phenomenon, which is Quantino 25. The unique nanoflow cell 48-volt electric drive system from which it derives its power is the source of its power. Due to this, the vehicle is able to go for distances of up to 2,000 kilometers, and it is completely electric, meaning that it does not produce any harmful emissions, it is 100% clean energy, it is climate neutral, and it does not require any batteries. The left side of the Quantino 25. Since 2015, the Quantino 48-volt has provided numerous demonstrations of the capabilities of the nanoflow cell drive technology at various points in time. Now the Quantino 25 is going to create its own distinctive mark and highlight the creative notion that lies behind the NFC approach in the creation of electric cars. Nunzio Lavecchia, CEO and Chief Technology Officer of Nanoflow Holdings PLC, has stated that the company is not aiming towards a particular end goal. Continual improvement is something that we are focused on. The progress that we have made with our nanoflow cell technology is reflected in our goal of achieving a range of 2,000 kilometers. The world's first fully electric vehicle that does not require batteries. While the team was working on the development of the Quantino 25, they made a significant choice. Due to their concerns about the impact on the environment caused by the use of a lithium-ion starter battery, they decided to completely exclude it from the product. An electrolytic capacitor is inserted into the starter system of the electric car as a replacement component. The electric drive of the nanoflow cell 48-volt is powered up when the ignition is turned on. Once the nanoflow cell is operational, it distributes the energy to 4 low-voltage electric motors with a capacity of 60 kilowatts each, as well as to the consumers in the 48-volt vehicle network. Because of this remarkable breakthrough, the 2+2 Roadster goes on to become the first fully electric vehicle that operates without the use of a battery at any point. In the context of the development of electric motoring, the Quantino 25 stands out for the technical advancements it offers, which include improved levels of driving comfort, safety, and performance. Because it combines its low-voltage motors with integrated power electronics, the nanoflow cell 48-volt e-drive is more efficient than its predecessor. This allows it to generate even more power. It will take around 2.5 seconds for this powerful, fully electric e-drive to accelerate the vehicle from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. This acceleration is made possible by 4 newly built multi-phase low-voltage electric motors. Multi-phase low-voltage electric motors are what exactly are they? With regard to electric motors, it is possible to assert that they are the only intelligent charging technology available. NFC, in a similar fashion, provides a solution to the issue of large currents and low-voltage electric drives, as demonstrated by the Quantino 25 drive system, which is focused on performance. It is remarkable that the total output of the 4-wheel drive e-sports car has been tripled with 4 motors that each have a power output of 60 kilowatts, despite the fact that the performance of each individual motor has been decreased in comparison to the Quantino 48-volt. The designers of the automobile are responsible for installing 2 bi-ion electrolyte tanks with a capacity of 125 liters each as compact 4 tanks in the Quantino 25. Because of this, the automobile is able to transmit an even greater quantity of energy in the form of electrolytes than the Quantino 48-volt. The vehicle's handling is significantly improved as a result of this low center of gravity. The development of this incredible automobile took 8 years and 500,000 kilometers of testing. Each and every component of the vehicle was developed over the course of those 8 years. The manner in which the automobile is charged is yet another development. Electric vehicles are required to recharge their batteries at charging stations in accordance with standard practices. However, the nanoflow cell that is included in the Quantino 25 is anything but conventional. Through the use of Quantino 25's bi-ion fuel, which is non-toxic, non-flammable, and beneficial to the environment, this motor will be refueled at petrol stations. If that doesn't get your blood pumping, this will definitely do the trick. The Quantino 25 is capable of achieving ranges of up to 2,000 kilometers without the need to recharge its battery when it is fully loaded with bi-ion fuel. It is intended to motivate. A number of different ways in which the motto "designed to inspire" is exemplified by the Quantino 25 are all present. With its bright QANT design, the electric car establishes its athletic nature, which is characterized by its speed, lightness, and open top. This 2+2 Roadster is a vehicle that embodies the virtues of freedom and the pleasure of driving, and it is a source of inspiration with its futuristic appearance with a transparent roof. It claims to combine practical sophistication and driving pleasure in an amazing electric car fueled by clean electricity that does not emit harmful pollutants and is generated by energy sources that are kind to the environment. Utilizing wastewater as a source of fuel. Through our research, we came across an intriguing fact. The bi-ion electrolyte fuel may be derived from a variety of sources, including seawater, wastewater, and even wastewater from industrial processes. The water treatment plant owned and operated by nanoflow Holdings plc transforms this water into a pure and resource-saving process water that is then provided to the bi-ion production process. Water makes up the majority of the bi-ion electrolyte fuel, which is what makes it possible for it to be pumped. The nanostructured bi-ion molecules that are suspended is the additional component. These molecules were developed to store regenerative energy in a portable manner. These are charge carriers that have been precisely created and optimized for performance, and they are responsible for producing clean electricity in the nanoflow cell. This type of energy is environmentally friendly, saves resources, does not emit dangerous poisons or emissions, is non-flammable, and has no health hazards. Is bi-ion going to be the king of energy carriers in the future? We have never witnessed something quite like this before, so the answer is yes. It is with great pleasure that nanoflow Holdings Plc is making significant progress toward the manufacture of the bi-ion electrolyte fuel on a significant scale. This is just the beginning of their efforts to lay the groundwork for nanoflow-powered electric vehicles, in addition to other applications of nanoflow. In a nutshell, the Quantino 25 is an electric performance car that offers drivers everything and more without requiring them to make any concessions in terms of its practicability, performance, range, and environmental friendliness. The various technical advancements that it has made are unparalleled to anything that we have ever witnessed before. The creation and construction of this remarkable automobile is something that we are looking forward to learning about, and we will make sure to keep you updated on any new information regarding it. Subscribe to our channel now to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.